What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Everything by Smrtdeath. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is played a half step down. This is just a sample from a song from a band called Silverstein. It's called My Heroine. They took the sample and just pitched it down a half step. I am in standard tuning. I'm going to show you exactly how to play the riff, but if you want to play along to the song and play it in the right key, take what I'm about to show you and drop it down a half step to where your guitar is in E flat standard, not E standard, and that way that's the correct key to be in if you want to play along to the song or if you just want to be in the same key as the song. But what I'm showing you right now is just an E standard. Play this exact same thing in E flat standard and that'll be the right key. So as always, I will have the guitar tab for you that I made in the video description, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. The guitar tab will be there for you. You're going to start with your middle finger on the 10th fret of your A string and your index finger on the 9th fret of the D string. And you're plucking open E, D, A, G, E, D, A, G, A, and then take your index finger off of D and pluck it open. Again, E, D, A, G, A, open, D. Then go to 8 on the low E and 10 on the A string, 8 with your index finger, 10 with your ring finger, and you're plucking the same thing, E, A, D, G, A, D. E, D, A, G, A, D. So from the beginning, and then go to 10 on the low E and 9 on the A. 10 with your middle finger, index finger, 9 on A string, and you're plucking E, D, A, G again, but then you're plucking E, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, A, G, A, D. E, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, A, G, A, D. And then that starts all over and that just plays throughout the entire song. So all together, very, very slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.